Hey everyone! Welcome back to FireTV Expert. In today's video, I'll show you how to install ElephTV on your Fire Stick using a fast and working downloader code with the new Fire Stick interface. If you're looking for a simple app with a clean layout and an easy-to-use interface, this is definitely one you'll want to check out. I'll take you through the complete installation process from start to finish, including how to find downloader, enable the required permission, enter the ElephTV code, and install the app properly on your Fire Stick. Plus, I'll also cover its top features and explain why I won't be opening the app fully due to YouTube policy guidelines. So, let's jump in and get started. From your Fire Stick home screen, move to the top, then move right and select Search. This will open the on-screen keyboard, allowing you to search for apps available on the Amazon App Store. Type downloader using the on-screen keyboard. If your remote supports voice commands, you can simply say downloader and the app will appear. Once downloader shows up in the search results, move to the right and select it. Now, click on the orange downloader icon and press the download button using the center button on your remote. Give it a few seconds to install. The installation time may vary depending on your internet connection. After downloader is installed, we need to allow it permission to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Go back to the home screen, move to the left and select the bar, then scroll down and select Settings. Now scroll right and click on My Fire TV, then select Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, don't worry. Click on About, then press your Fire Stick name 7 times until you see a message confirming that developer options are enabled. Press the back button, open developer options, and turn on apps from unknown sources. If you're using a Fire Stick 4K Max or a newer Fire TV device, the layout may look slightly different. In that case, just make sure permission is enabled for the downloader app. Once that's done, your device is ready to install third-party apps safely. Now that everything is set up, let's open downloader. Go back to the home screen. Scroll down and find the downloader and open it. When you launch it for the first time, allow the required permissions and click OK. Before we install ElephTV, let me quickly tell you why you might want to check out this app. ElephTV comes with a clean and modern interface that's designed to be simple and comfortable to use on a television screen. The layout makes it easy to move through the available sections, browse different titles, and discover something new without making the interface feel complicated. It also works well with the Fire Stick remote, so you can move through the different sections without needing any complicated controls. Now we're ready for the installation. Click on the search bar by pressing the center button to bring up the keyboard. Now enter the ElephTV downloader code exactly as shown, 3069567. After entering the code, click Go. The ElephTV download page will now load on your Fire Stick. Once the page opens, scroll down and select ElephTV. The ElephTV APK will now begin downloading. This may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Once the download finishes, click Install. Give your Fire Stick a few moments while ElephTV installs completely. After installation is finished, click Done, then delete the APK file to free up storage space. Select Delete and confirm Delete again. Now before opening the app, I highly recommend using a VPN. Using a VPN helps protect your privacy, keeps your connection secure, and can help avoid region-related access issues. I personally recommend NordVPN. NordVPN allows you to change your virtual location, protects your streaming activity, and helps prevent tracking or throttling from your internet provider. To install NordVPN, go back to the search option, type NordVPN, and download it directly from the Amazon App Store. Once installed, open NordVPN, sign in, and connect to a secure server before using third-party apps. You'll find the NordVPN link in the video description if you'd like to check it out. Now let's take a look at ElephTV. Go back to the home screen and scroll down to the bottom of the list. You'll find ElephTV there. Now, I won't be opening the app fully in this video due to YouTube policies and to avoid any potential strikes. However, I can give you an overview of its interface and features. ElephTV offers a clean and modern interface with a simple layout that's easy to navigate. The available content is organized into different sections, making it easier to browse and discover new titles. The app is designed for larger screens, and navigation works smoothly with the Fire Stick remote. The simple layout also makes it easy to move between sections and find the features you're looking for without unnecessary steps. And that's it. You've successfully installed ElephTV on your Fire Stick using the new Fire Stick interface. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Fire TV Expert, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Fire Stick tips and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.